we're seeking something special. Striving for the unmistakable. For the unique. That's our motivation. Our claim. And our inspiration. Because we're tireless, passionate about detail, ambitious, and highly dedicated. We make no compromises. We're never satisfied with the ordinary. We explore new boundaries. So that ultimately, we create something extraordinary. That takes the desire for individuality to the very top and gives a face to your own personality. Tailor-made, in an extraordinary place at Porsche Exclusive Manufacturing.